In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate AI backgrounds in OpenArt. We'll replace the background of any photo in just a few clicks, while keeping your subject looking natural. I'll guide you through the editor, explain the key fields, and share tips so your first results look great. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Move your mouse over the image section to reveal the editing options, then choose Edit Image. This opens the workspace where you'll do all your background work. Bring in the photo you want to edit by uploading it, or simply dragging it into the window. Clear, well-lit subjects work best, and images with good separation between your subject and the background will give the AI more to work with. If you're preparing product shots or portraits, aim for a high-resolution file to preserve detail after editing. Once your image loads, look for the background area in the editor and open it. This is your control hub for swapping out the scene behind your subject. Next, select Change Background. You're telling the AI to generate a brand new setting while keeping your original subject in place. Now it's time to describe the background you want. Be specific and visual. Instead of a short phrase like city, try something like urban city street at night, neon lights and LED accents, wet asphalt reflecting city lights. Details about time of day, mood, lighting, materials, and atmosphere help the model deliver a scene that matches your vision. If you have a style in mind, cinematic, minimal, photorealistic, or painterly, include that too. Below that, use the negative prompt to specify what you don't want. This is powerful for avoiding distractions. Add items like extra people, text, logos, cluttered signage, low resolution, harsh shadows, or motion blur. You can also exclude colors or objects that would clash with your subject. Think of this as a do not include list that keeps the output clean and consistent. If you have a visual reference, add it in Image Guidance. This can be a mood image, color palette, or a scene with the composition you like. A relevant, high-quality reference helps the AI better match style, tone, and lighting. Decide how many variations you want by adjusting number of images. More variations give you a wider range of options, though they may take a little longer to process. When everything is set, click Create. Give the AI a moment to process. Once the results appear, compare the options and pick your favorite. If one is close but not perfect, refine your description or negative prompt and run it again for improved results. That's all it takes to generate AI backgrounds in OpenArt. With clear prompts, thoughtful negatives, and a solid reference, you'll get polished, consistent outcomes for portraits, products, and more. Happy creating!